Karamat presents gratitude to the hospitality industry. We are providing a platform where experienced leaders share their culinary journey with budding aspirants. A platform where experience meets execution. A platform where we put together collective efforts. A platform with a shared aim, reviving the hospitality industry from the challenges posed by the pandemic. Come, join us on this culinary journey.
कुछ शेफ बॉर्न जीनियस होते हैं, कुछ अपनी मेहनत और लगन से जीनियस बनते हैं, पर इन सारे जीनियस में एक बात कॉमन है, ये खाना बड़ा लाजवाब बनाते हैं, जैसे कोई करामात हो इनके हाथों में।
जी हाँ, ये करामात ही है शेफ के हाथों में।
करामात मास्टर मिक्स फॉर मास्टर शेफ, 100% natural gravies and many more.
So good evening everybody. Today we have a very wonderful session. So this is a initiative by Karamat Foods, one of the leading brand in India and abroad, doing lot of innovation in terms of producing the concentrates and the support, the back-end support for the Indian cuisine, the regional Indian cuisine we can say, with different dishes, different marination, and also coming up with international blends and international flavors. So this is a journey which we will cover from prominent celebrities and the entrepreneurs from India and abroad. So on this series, so first time we have invited Mr. Prasenjit Roy Chaudhary, the CEO and MD of Absolute Barbecue. And alongside we have the Managing Director, Mr. Shwetal Fadiyar from Karamat Foods. So this is the first session and I think it will be a wonderful one to have. So welcome Mr. Shwetal.
Thank you.
And welcome Mr. Chaudhary on this lovely, wonderful platform. And we look forward to hear many amazing things and your words of wisdom in terms of your entrepreneurship journey and your culinary journey.
Sure. Thank you so much, Vinod and Shwetal, to both of you for having me in this today's the session that we are looking at. And yes, it will be a pleasure, sharing my experiences, whatever little that I have. And if it helps people to get inspired, I'll be more than happy.
It'll be a pleasure and looking forward for nice words of wisdom. So, Mr. Chaudhary, I believe that you have around 25 years of experience in hospitality from 1995.
I've been around. Yeah, that's right. Yes.
And you have done different stints in different organizations at different levels. So, who is a Prasenjit Roy Chaudhary? So, who is this person?
Well, I think, okay, so who is Prasenjit? Okay, so if I have to answer it, I think, Prasenjit is a very average persona, a very average Indian to start on with. I think I'm being average, it has its own advantages. And I drew all to my advantages, in last 25 years that I have spent onto the industry. So one thing is for sure, I'm very passionately inquisitive about anything that I do. So though I'm an average guy, go back to my school days, to my, college days, I've been an average student. So, that average tag was always there with me wherever I have gone. But one good thing about Prasenjit, if I have to, evaluate Prasenjit as a person, and that's the question, I guess, is, I'm passionately inquisitive. I never thought that I will be in hotel industry, honestly. From a simple fact that, my father always wanted me to be a doctor by the virtue of the fact that, I was not bad in studies too, but then I couldn't manage to get through the medical exams. Somehow the hotel management happened out of the way, out of the cup. And then when I got into it, then I thought, as I said, I'm passionately inquisitive. Then I started, my journey with a lot of why part of the story in mind. And I'm also a very good people connector. So I connect with people quite well. I'm by and large a happy person. So an average happy person, passionately inquisitive, and of course a people's man. So this is, the as I know Prasenjit as.
And one thing what I foresee is you have opened 5 restaurants every year. So right now you have around 42 plus and 2 in Dubai.
Yeah,
So
that's right.
So
that's
it's a tremendous journey and tremendous growth, I can say. So there must be some challenges and some difficulties in growing this business in food industry. And in the last few years, we have seen a lot of competitions and a lot of tough times for the food industry. So how do you think and how do you cope up? I think one of the things that you already mentioned is about the finances, because what I understood from your conversation is you are more passionate about creating things, doing things. But when it comes to finances, you always had a godfather as
Yes.
a mentor and a guide with you. So this was the time when you yourself had the courage to do something different and also create the finances for your own business.
That is right.
So-
That is true.
So building finance is one of the toughest thing I can say in running a own business if you are starting from 0 to upwards.
That is true. But in my journey for AB's Absolute Barbecues also, I in fact partnered with one Mr. Mr. Gurudas, who initially helped me quite a bit in terms of raising funds. And then, of course, he's one person that I've been knowing him for so long. So I think, while I knew this other side of the story, the finance part of the story was handled quite well by him. So eventually, as I said, I got to learn slowly, but definitely. And way back in 2017, we were, looking for fund managers to help us to grow because we were growing the debt route, meaning, taking loans from banks and then putting it into the business. But then we realized, that may not be a very safe route. Though, of course, that point in time, nobody thought about COVID coming in and hitting the market, etc. But, every day cannot be a sunny day. So we realized it, and then, we kind of raised our Series A fund from a very big private equity player by the name General Atlantic. So that happened in 2017, fag end again, November, December kind. And the whole idea was, if you look at from 2017 until today, of course, we have not opened any store whatsoever except those 2 stores. One is in Nagpur, one is in Calcutta for last 15 months. But having said so, the absolute growth happened in 18 and 19, or rather 18, 19, 19, 20. So we were somewhere around 12 to 13 stores that point in time. And we grew up to 15 stores, including Dubai. And we kind of added 25 stores in last 2 years. 18, 19, 19, 20. So that exponential growth did happen simply because we had the money power. We raised money and then we had good amount of money with us. And that gave us the confidence of, ensuring that, we can cover up many cities with multiple footprints, newer cities with single footprint. And that's how the journey has been until now. If you ask me, okay, after the COVID has happened for last 15 months, we are still wanting to open up 12 stores this fiscal year.
And one thing especially what I feel is since your concept of serving the food is live barbecue and live grilling of all the kebabs and all the starters. So for that, taking out into a takeaway model, that also was a big change of mindset from having a grill in front of you on the table and
correct
instead giving meal at your home.
Correct. So that was the challenge. We kind of, harped on the challenge and then came out with something which has been liked by the customer. Apart from that, देखिए क्या हुआ था कि हमारे जैसे कि long term बात करें तो हमारे लिए एक opportunity ये भी था कि हम हमारे IT infrastructure को better off कर ले, because somebody was got a knowledge around the information about the customers or vendor or staff members. Tomorrow it is going to pay us back. तो हमने अभी इस पैंडेमिक के दौरान IT प्रोजेक्ट्स में काफी काम किए हैं फ्रॉम एंड टू एंड सॉल्यूशंस पे, प्रोजेक्ट पे काफी काम करा हमने, क्योंकि हमें ये लगा कि भाई आज बंद है प्रोजेक्ट्स, लेकिन कल तो खुलेगा.
जी,
So
जी.
there is always an opportunity to kind of reduce your cost of production by taking into account or renegotiating with the vendors. So project में जैसे हमारे बड़े अच्छे खासे सेंट्रल वेंडर्स है, जब हम बनाते हैं कोई चीज को तो उनके साथ में हम बैठे, उनके साथ में हमने बातचीत करी है, उनके साथ में हमने डील साइन ऑफ किया है कि भाई हमें जो है नेक्स्ट 3 साल में 70 रेस्टोरेंट्स खोलने हैं, नेक्स्ट 3 years स्टार्टिंग 2022. और इसी साल हमारा प्लान था 25 आउटलेट खोलने का, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड व्हिच इज कंटिन्यूड वी हैव carved it down to 12 outlets this year.
I think it was a wonderful session with you, Mr. Chaudhary, and I think we had wonderful insights from your culinary journey and your professional growth.
Sure.
From starting from Indore to Mumbai and then to Hyderabad, and now we are looking you pan India. So we may find you in any state. So on 30 days we'll find you in every day. We'll find you in a different state with different products altogether.
No. I mean, it's been a wonderful session with you guys. I sincerely thank both of you for having me for this session, and I look forward to have certain sessions ahead. If in case I can be of any help in inspiring someone who are budding entrepreneurs, people, those who are looking for some advices, I'll be more than happy to assist.
So I would like to thank you once again, Mr. Chaudhary, and
Thanks.
Mr. Shwetal for your
Thanks.
time and patience. Thank you very much. Once
Thanks.
again,
Thanks a
stay
lot.
safe, stay healthy.
Thanks a lot.
कुछ शेफ बॉर्न जीनियस होते हैं, कुछ अपनी मेहनत और लगन से जीनियस बनते हैं, पर इन सारे जीनियस में एक बात कॉमन है, ये खाना बड़ा लाजवाब बनाते हैं, जैसे कोई करामात हो इनके हाथों में.
जी हाँ, ये करामात ही है शेफ के हाथों में.
करामात मास्टर मिक्स फॉर मास्टर शेफ, 100% natural gravies and many more.